Guided meditation, light over the Middle East. Shalom, a general greeting, but also the word for peace. Let's use it in that way. Shalom. Our meditation today, late in the year 2023, is focusing on the turmoil which has erupted once more in the Middle East. Our role, our heartfelt desire, is to send feelings of love, healing, and hope to those who are currently experiencing despair, loss, and immense hardship. We can perhaps be of limited help regarding the need for humanitarian aid on the ground in Gaza and the ongoing threat and reality of bombardment on all sides of the borders. But it is our belief that the greater the surge of positive love and light that we can send forth, the greater will be the effect. It's the power of the collective consciousness. Be part of it. Join us at Hamblin Vision in sending forth the positive light. So, in our usual way, prepare yourself for joining this meditation, finding a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed, while at the same time being very mindful of the people of Gaza at this moment, who are experiencing nothing like these environments. Take a moment to settle. And now, as you focus on your breathing in and out, gradually enter a deeper state, a theta state, through focus on your in and out breaths. Breathing in and out. Feel yourself gradually entering the meditative state. Visualize the fear, the pain, the grief caused by attacks from both sides of the border and the ongoing deprivation leading towards possible starvation and potential death for a beleaguered people. Build your loving energy to send it forth in support. Open your heart to those whose family members are currently prisoners on either side of the divide, and who do not know when or if they will ever meet them again. Build your loving energy to send it forth in support. Visualize the faces of the children who play no part in these warlike activities and acts of revenge. Children who are bloodied, maimed, and killed. Children with expressions of fear, bewilderment, and anguish on their faces, while being attacked by violent men or by bombs raining from the sky day after day. Children who have experienced things which we will likely never be subjected to. Children who need urgent support from the world to get through each day going forward. Build your loving energy to send it forth in support. Open your heart to all those Gazans dispossessed from their homes, which are now in ruins. A people sent to the south of their country, where there is currently little aid or basic necessities. Picture the scenes, which you may have seen on television, of areas of total destruction in the north. And think for a moment about the mindless damage of infrastructure, as indeed has happened in Ukraine, Syria, Burma, and all the other areas of the world where conflict is currently rife. And think for a moment about the individual decision makers who are directly the cause of this destruction and desolation. They too need support to push them towards change, revising their attitudes to vengeful acts, power, and warmongering, often for selfish political gain. Build your loving energy to send it forth in support. Open your heart towards all those involved in trying to provide humanitarian aid, working in hospitals with dwindling resources, to the point where positive interventions for the many injured become increasingly impossible. And open your heart towards the many diplomats, NGOs, and others involved in attempts to broker a peace of any sort, with the hope that, in the future, the bombs and rockets will be set aside, to be replaced by discussion, diplomacy, and genuine attempts to reach agreement, to consolidate the problems which have been festering for many years, since the days of drawing ill-conceived boundaries. Build your loving energy to send it forth in support. Focus once more on your breathing. Breathing in and out. Now focus on the area between your eyebrows, your third eye, or brow chakra. And try to focus within your head, if you will. There's a central point in your brain, the pineal gland, which is the real center of the brow chakra, where you find your all-seeing third eye. Focus on this. You might feel a slight tingle or pressure in the area as the energy builds. Focus. Feel the energy coming in through your crown chakra and concentrating at this moment in your third eye area. Feel the positive, the God energy building. As you feel this positive God energy building, redirect your attention to your heart chakra, central to where your heart is in your chest. And as you breathe regularly and deeply, bring that positive God energy down from your head to your chest. Really try to feel the positive energy building in your heart chakra. And when you feel ready, prepare to send forth this positive love energy to all those suffering people that we've been linking with for these past few minutes. Positive energy to engender true feelings of hope, sanctuary, and protection in the midst of confusion and desolation. Positive energy to encourage all the support, physical, spiritual, and psychological, that can be brought forward at this time. Send out the light to those in need in the Middle East. Send out the light. And now it's time to return to our normal existence, but remembering the benefits of regular meditation to send forth this light of hope to our fellow human beings. They continue to need all the support, physical and spiritual, that can be provided. Be conscious of this and help in whatever way you can personally. I'm Chris Sangster, and I bring you peace. Shalom. Thank you.